Are you alive or are you just existing? Now, we all got life, but it's all about what we do with that life. We all got a heartbeat, but it's all about what you do with that heartbeat. Let me tell you the people who's really living life. Let me tell you the people who's really alive for real. It's the people who's not afraid to take a risk. It's the people who's not afraid to go after their goals and dreams. It's the people who's not caring about what other people think. Let's start from that last part. Caring about what other people think, that's going to keep you in a perpetual state of imprisonment. You are a prisoner of what other people want you to be, what they want you to talk about, what they want you to feel, how they want you to act, what they want you to do in the world. You have to figure out, what does God want me to do? What do I want to do with my life? Everybody got their life already. Everybody got their life already. But this is yours. And you have control over this. We don't have control over anybody else's life. The one life we have control over is the one life that we're trying to give up. The one life we got control over is the one life that we're not taking a risk for. It's the one life we're not taking a chance for. It's the one life we're not going after our goals and dreams for. This is the one life we got control over. But we giving the power away to everybody else. Everybody else can say what you supposed to be doing with your life. Everybody else get to talk down on you. Everybody else get to disrespect your one life that you're supposed to cherish and take care of. You're a prisoner. That's not true life. You're not really living life. See, all of us, man, are we alive or are we just existing? If you doing what everybody else telling you to do, you like a puppet. My hands moving, you on a string, and we just gonna move where people tell us to move. Is that really life? Nah. You gotta move where you gotta move because you know that's where you gotta move. You gotta do what you gotta do because you know that's what you gotta do. You gotta go after what you gotta go after because you know that's what you have to go after. You gotta go after those goals because it's your goals. It's your goals. It's your dreams. It's your goals, bro. It's your dreams. And we gotta lock in on that. So are we truly alive or are we just existing? Are you taking things day by day by day by day? Or are you 1% better each day? Is there a goal? Is there a reason you're waking up? Is there a why? Are you trying to evolve? Life is all about evolving, bro. Life is all about evolving and getting better. Life is all about 1% better each and every day. Life is all about evolving. If you staying the same, that's not evolving. If you just, okay, I woke up on Monday, I did what I had to do. I woke up on Tuesday, and it's like, are you just doing what you got to do to get you by, or are you doing the things that you need to do to elevate your life? That's two different people. There's people who are waking up trying to go after it and get it because it's like, that's what's going to make my life better. Because they not happy with where they at right now. And then there's people who I'm just waking up and I'm back again. And I fall asleep and then I'm back up. I'm back again on earth. I'm back and I just go to work and then I come home and then I'm back up again. No, let's head to this gym. Let's drink the water. Let's drink the water, bro. Let's lock in on our goals and dreams. Hey, what we really want to do in life? Why we can't focus on that? Why the energy so whack? Bro? But I'm telling you, the energy is whack because we don't understand how important it is to really be alive and not waste our heartbeat. We keep wasting our heartbeat on things that don't matter. We keep wasting our heartbeat on things that don't matter. We keep wasting our time around people that don't add value into our life. We keep doing things that don't have nothing, no return coming back. We're not trying to evolve. We just trying to wake up. Oh, I'm back on earth. All right, what I gotta do? Go back to sleep, wake back up. Nah, it ain't none of this. We can't be floating no more. We can't just be existing no more. It's like, I'm alive for a reason. I'm alive for a purpose. That's why the purpose-driven mindset is so important. Because when you have purpose, you have a reason why. You have a reason why you're getting up. You have a reason why you're doing this again. You have a reason why you're back up. You have a reason to go hard. You have a reason not to quit because you on your purpose. Without that purpose, man, it's like, what we doing this for? We don't know. And if you don't know what you're doing this for, you just gonna float around. You just gonna float around. If you can't figure out your life, other people gonna figure out your life for you. And that's not how you want to figure out life. That's not good. That's that imprisonment that we just spoke about. But there's a lot of people, man, they're not really taking life serious. You still supposed to have fun with life. You still got to give yourself grace. But at the same time, we have to take it a little bit more serious than the other people around us. We have to take life more serious than we are right now. It's about legacy. It's about being iconic. It's about being the best that we can be. It's about greatness. It's about going after something and knowing that you can achieve it. It's about putting other people on. It's about helping humanity, but you got to help yourself first. It's about helping your loved ones, but you got to help yourself first. You have to know what you have to do with your life. That's your responsibility. And you got to lock in on that. You got to lock in on purpose. You got to lock in on hard work. You got to lock in on consistency. You got to take a risk on you. You got dreams and goals and it's just sitting in your heart and you know you want to start. And you got to start right now. You got to start right now. You got to have that fire and desire in your heart, bro. You got to want it. You can't just want it. You got to act like you need it. You got to need it the same way you need air. That's the only way you're going to make it happen. You got to be obsessed. You got to be intense. You got to be cuckoo for it. You got to be crazy for it. For what? For evolving. For being 1% better. For being a better human being today than you were yesterday. For putting in your best foot forward. Making sure that tomorrow could be a better day for you. Every day. Better, better, better. Every year, better, better, better. Every month, better, better, better. Locking in, no matter the season, no matter the weather. Doesn't matter if it's sunshine, doesn't matter if it's winter. We're going to put the work in because we winners. It doesn't matter. No matter what season you in your life, you still showing up for yourself because we not just existing. I'm not just floating. I'm not just going to let life pass me by. Oh, it's springtime. It's summertime. It's fall time. No, it's winning time. It's evolving time. It's grinding time. I know what season it is. It's my season. It's our season. We got to be locked in for that. We got to want it. We got to want it. See, you can get anything you want in this world, but you got to want it. You can get anything you want in this life, but you got to want it. You got to be crazy for it. You got to put the work in. You got to have effort in it. I want to help as many people as possible. You think I'm taking days off right now? I ain't in that season of my life where I can take days off right now. I'm showing up every single day, Sunday through Sunday. Sunday through Sunday. Work, work, work. Discipline, discipline. I'm still giving myself grace. I'm still finding time to rest, but it's about the work. It's about locking in. It's about the purpose. I have to make time for that too. That's all we saying. I ain't saying to just work. But if you ain't working towards something, then you're just floating. You're just existing. Are you existing or are you alive? Let's talk about experiences. We got to collect experiences. You keep collecting things. You keep collecting tangible items. Tangible items can't give you that feeling that you're going to get when you go out to eat and you eat some brand new food. You try some brand new food. You go to a brand new state. You go to a brand new country. A country you never been to before. Learning the culture, eating the food, enjoying the culture, enjoying the place, enjoying the scenery. Save your money and go travel. Save your money and go see the world. Make that a goal. Make that an ambition of yours. Stop just staying in the same location around the same people with the same mindset, keeping you in the same place. That's not living. That's not being alive. That's existing. That's just existing. I don't just want to exist. That's the bare minimum is to say I'm existing. I'm existing. That's the bare minimum. I exist. You don't got to do nothing to exist. You came out of somebody's womb and now you here. Nah, bro, you got to earn a life that you want. You got to want to travel. You got to want to eat some good food. You got to want to be on good timing. You got to want to build that group of people around you with good energy. You got to want to read books and learn and gain knowledge. You got to want to show up every single day for your goals and dreams that God put on your heart. And if you don't think your goals and dreams can come true, that's you telling God that he didn't equip you with everything you need when he know he did. That's a slap in the face to the creator. The creator has given you everything that you need to be successful. He even sent me here so I can motivate you so you can be on your grind. We have to get to work. This is all it's about. Evolving, 1% better. That's what being alive is about. And then when you start to make that money, you start to reach your goals, go travel, man. Go help your loved ones. What you mean you not motivated? Your mama's still working the 9 to 5. She's still hustling every single day. She in her 50s or she in her 60s. She in her 70s. You not motivated? You not inspired? And your mama's still here? Your pop's still here? And you not motivated? Like you ain't the chosen one. Like you ain't the one that's supposed to make the family better. Like you ain't the one that's supposed to reach greatness. Like you ain't the one that's supposed to make $1 million money and change the family trajectory. That's you, bro. Stop looking outside of yourself. This is why we can't win, because we don't see ourselves as winners. Somebody put that in the comment section, bro. This is why we can't win, because we don't see ourselves as winners. We see ourselves as beginners. We see ourselves as losers. We see ourselves as we're just existing. We see ourselves as, I just gotta wake up and just do what I gotta do. We just floated. Nah, you gotta break the cycle. You gotta break the generational curses. If diabetes running your family, I'm sorry, bro. You the one that's gonna have to break that chain. If you grew up in poverty, you the one that's gonna have to show the family wealth. It's on your back, Dree. It's on your back, dog. It's on your back. Who else back is supposed to be on? It ain't on God back. He already gave you life. What else he gotta do? Don't let him take your life back, because you just existing. You just existing. I'm just existing. Hey, bro, if you just existing, I don't know if you need to be here, man. You gotta have purpose. You gotta have fire and desire. You gotta have heart. You gotta know that you the black sheep. You gotta know that you the one. You gotta put that on you. It's like, man, my family need me. What you mean you not motivated? What you mean you not inspired? What you mean you not alive? You gotta go after your goals and dreams, even if the family don't understand, even if your friends don't understand, even if you around toxic people. There's no excuse. You understand where you're going. Sometimes you have to show people a better path. Sometimes you the one that got to show people a better path. Being alive means giving life your absolute all. When you don't give life your all, you're selling yourself short. When you don't give life your all, you're not as locked in as you could be. When you don't give life your all, you're not really living. So I'm gonna ask us one more time. Are we alive, or are we just existing? Are we alive, or are we just floating around? Are we alive, or do we have purpose and direction? Are we alive, or are we just existing? Because if you got the purpose and direction, if you have the discipline, if you're showing up for yourself, that's what it means to live. That's what it means to be alive. Don't just exist. Don't just exist. Be more, do more, show up more, lock in more, win more, live more. Because once you do more and once you give life your all, life is going to give you its all. That's how you get all out of life. That's how you start to live a better life. All right. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.